from Prissy.com, back here again, and today I have with me the Hover, which is a self-flying camera drone that enables you to capture cinematic photos and videos. The Hover is the world's lightest self-flying camera drone, and it is only 125 grams. As you can see, it very easily fits in the palm of my hand, and it is very light and has almost no weight. So I am trying out this camera for myself. So far, I know that there are 6 different functions, and so I am going to bring you through each of these functions and what it does. So stay tuned and keep watching. Starting the Hover is easy. Put it in the palm of your hand, push a button and it will fly. Now let's bring us to the first mode, which is called Hover. Hover is simple. The drone just flies in front of you and takes a video. For Orbit, our second one, the drone will go around you in a circle. So you can either choose to move around with the drone, or you can choose to just stay there and let the drone just do its work circling around you. I chose to move around, and you can see the change of scenery as the drone moves along with me. Third mode available is Bird's Eye, where the drone flies all the way up to take a video of you. So as you can see, I'm getting smaller and bigger as the drone goes up into the sky and down. It can fly pretty high. The Follow Me mode is one of the more interesting ones if you ask me. Basically for this one, the drone follows behind you as you run or walk. For cycling, you have to go at slower speeds, otherwise the drone is unable to catch you. As you can see, the drone really latches onto me and it is able to film a video of me running. I think this feature is really cool. The dolly track feature works a little bit like the Follow Me feature, except that instead of tracking you from the back, the drone is tracking you from the front. So it will move along with you as you run or walk. Your palm to call the drone back and it will come. Oh, have I also mentioned that the drone is foldable? So you can actually fold it up and put it into your front or back pocket. So it's actually the same size of a pocket. Let me show you. So I take the drone, then I fold it up like this, and then I put it in. See, it fits just right. Thank you so much for watching. This is Prissy from Prissy.com. If you are happy with what you have watched, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my video channel at Prissy.com. And don't forget to comment if there is anything that you wish to say to me or something that you wish to comment on. Once again, this is Hover, the self-flying camera drone. Until then, I will catch up with you in my next video. See you and bye bye.